Want to make Brave browser use less memory? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable and configure the Memory Saver feature in Brave browser. Memory Saver is designed to reduce RAM usage by putting inactive tabs to sleep. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser window and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click System. In the System section, you'll find the Memory Saver settings. If Memory Saver is turned off, click the toggle to enable it. Once enabled, Brave can automatically free up memory from tabs that you haven't used for a while. The tabs remain open, but they become inactive in the background until you click on them again. When you return to a sleeping tab, Brave reloads it automatically so you can continue where you left off. You'll also find options that let you control how aggressively Memory Saver works, with choices like moderate, balanced, and maximum. If there are websites you never want Brave to put to sleep, look for the Always Keep These Sites Active section. For example, you might want to keep an email service, music player, messaging app, or work dashboard active at all times. Simply click the Add button, then enter the website name, and Brave will keep that site active whenever possible. Memory Saver is especially useful on laptops or older computers with limited memory. By reducing RAM usage, Brave can help keep your system running smoothly even with many tabs open. And that's it. You now know how to use Memory Saver in Brave browser. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Brave browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.